Hi, I'm going to do a little film here of how to use the new tour manager to create a very basic tour. So the first thing I need to do is I need to create a new tour. So I'm going to give it an ID, so right now it's called demo, and then my name will just be demo. Create a new tour. Right now I'm in a blank tour, so I need to add files to my tour. Now I need to be in this folder. Right now this will contain all the files I want to bring in. So I want to mark them all as background files and then let it start processing through each file. It might take a little bit because for each background it has to make the actual background image and a preview image. The preview image is usually 256 by 256 and the background image has a limit of 4096, but then it will not decrease it unless it goes over the 4096 limit. So if the width was like 7,000, it will then change the width to 4096. But if the height was under 4096, it's just going to leave the height the same. It doesn't actually need to keep the aspect ratio. I want all the height pixels I can. I don't want to lose them because when it's finally displayed, it will be stretched on a sphere, so it does not really matter. Alright, the import process finally finished. So now I'm going to go back to my tour editor. Alright, and now I'm back in my blank tour again, but I want to do add all. And now it's going to add all of the files that it previously added. Since they were named in a special way, it knows how to detect the background and the preview image. Now I just need to do some cleanup first. So let me see. This image needs to be at the front. Alright. And then, yep, that's right. Now I want to move this image over here. This image before that image actually. And see. Yeah, this image can also go here, and then I'll move this one too, just because then everything is in order. Yep, okay. So now the first thing I need to do is I need to go through and make sure that every background is facing the right direction. Like in here, I can see north is that way, that's fine. So now I just need to keep on going. That's right, that's right. This is not right. I need to change the direction a bit. Alright. This one is wrong. Shift it over a bit. Alright, that's right. This is probably right, but shift it a bit. I think that one's fine. This one's definitely off. I just want to make sure that in every image, they all face the same way. Because when you go through this tour, when you turn, you should still be relatively facing the same direction. That's right. That's right. That's right. This one is not right. So it's maybe like a negative 165. Maybe a 175. Alright, maybe a 175. Alright. This one needs to be flipped. 175. Alright. Good enough. This one's definitely wrong. So put about a 68. Still not. 90. Still not. 135. Pretty close. Alright, this one's already facing the right way. This one's wrong. Put in a 90. Keep going. Alright. This one's already right. This one is almost right. Now it is. That one's right. That one is wrong. Put in negative 90. Alright. Next. That one's wrong. Negative 90. It's too far. Negative 65. Negative 35. Yep, that's right now. Alright, this one is facing the wrong way. 180. Negative 175. Alright, next. Right. Change the direction a bit. Alright. This one is wrong. Minus 90. Now, if I was more careful when I took the pictures, I would have properly aligned every image when I took them. But then this world yaw here is here just so that you can fix issues like this. Alright, negative 90. Let's go forward a little bit. Alright. And now this one, negative 90. Still not enough. Alright, should be it. I think I'm now out of rooms. Alright, so now I can start doing my actual linking process. So I'm in a room, and now I want to make it so when I look forward, I'm going over there. So I'm going to go over here to my link room button, tap it, and now choose my next room. So I want to actually link over here. So it just put a point there. So now if I want to, I can go through and fix it up. Because really this should be right at the 0. Alright, so now I'm going to now double tap on that room, and now I'm in this room instead. So now if I want to, I can go in here, say link room again, and now actually I want to be closer. So there it is, I put a new one in there. So now let me tap on this one, and then if you notice, it already put a link back to the previous room. So when you make links between rooms, it automatically goes and adds it in for you, which is nice. Now what I do is I'm going to look over here, and I go, hey, link the room please, which you may need to go back through and do some minor cleanup, because when you do each picture, maybe the forward and return links may be a bit off. Let me go into this one now. That's pretty good. Let me make another point down here. Let me say link a room. I'm currently in this one, so actually I want to be in this one now. And now let me go to that one. Alright, now I want to make another link down here again. Alright, go to my link. Alright, now make a new link. Go over here. Keep going. Make another link over here. I'm just going to keep walking through this yard. Right now I think the next link is about right here. So link, and then I want to choose this one. Go to that one. And then I know the next link is right there in the middle. So link it up again. I want to choose this one. Go to it, please. Alright, now I'm here. Now I know the next link is somewhere over here. So I'm going to look over here, link it up, and say, okay, here. Go to this one here. Alright, now click on this spot. Now I'm over there. And now I know there's a link over there. But then I can add the link back to the other room from here too. So I'm going to look over here in this area. And I'm going to say, hey, add a link. And now I'm going to add a link back to this room right here. Okay, so I can now go back to that room. Now if you notice there's the bubble there and the bubble there. That lets me go between the two different rooms. Let me go back a space. Alright, I'm going to go back over here. There's only one link here. Alright, now when I look over this way towards the house and say link room, and now I want to find the one that's close to the gate. So actually I want to go to this room here. Alright, now I'm in this room. There's a gate over there. I have a link back over there, but now actually I want to go link it to this room over here. So I'm going to hit link it, and now I want to link up to this room right here. So now I can go here or there from this one room. If I want to go even further, I can look at this spot over here, link it up again, but I probably don't want to do that right now. And then also I can go over here and say, hey, look right there, link it. I know there's one more link over here I can get to. So now I can go over here. I have a link back, so I'm going to follow it. Alright. Now I want to go over here. So I'm going to link up a room. I want to choose the patio. Alright, go to the patio. Right now I know there's one at the pool, so I'm going to add a link to the pool over here. Go to the pool for a second. Alright, go back. And now I know there's a picture for the gazebo, so look at it. Add a link. Find that gazebo. Here it is. Alright, now I can go to that. Okay. Now I think this link is a little weird. So I'm going to go here. Just move it up a bit. Alright, go to it. Alright, now there is a picture up here at the top. This is where it's going to get a little weird. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to link it up, but it put it here. That's not where I want. I want to move its pitch. So I'm going to go, hey, move it 65. Now it's up there. That's good. So now I can look back, click here. Now I can see from up here, but then this guy is up here. That's not good. I'm going to move you negative 65. Now he's down there. So if I'm up here, I can now look down there to go back. Alright, let me go back to the floor level. I start doing the tour through the house now. So look at the house, add a room. I want this one, please. Now I can go in there. Alright. Now add a new link over here. Link. Alright, and here. Alright, now look down the hallway. Link. And then I want to choose this one, please. Go to it. Now look towards the stairs, add a link. The link will be this one. Alright, now add a link over here. So I can be in the hallway. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Alright, go to the hallway. Alright, now I want to add a link to the dining room. So click here, go here, okay. Go back. Alright. Now the one thing is, this dot's over here. It should be over there. So I'm going to click on this dot. Now I'm going to say, actually, let's see where you should be. You're over there. Let's put you at 90. Actually, negative 90. Alright, negative 120. Negative 110. Alright, 150. Alright, good enough. Alright, now let me see. I need to go up the stairs now. So I'm going to add a room. Find my halfway. Here's my halfway up the stairs. Alright, now this bubble is a little weird. So I'll move it up a bit. Alright, so now go up the bubble. Alright, now this one's weird. So I want, hey, negative 30 pitch. Now that makes sense. Alright, now I'm back up here again. Add a new link to the upper floor. Alright, now this one's weird. Put it up at 30 degrees. Alright, now go to it. Go back. This one needs to be negative 30 degrees. Alright, and actually move it over a bit. 180. All right. Now I need to look down the hallway, link a room. That link is a little weird, so 90. All right, go down it. Okay, keep going down the hallway. Link it up. Study. Go there. All right. Now this bubble's a little weird. Say, let's say negative 62, negative 60, negative 70. All right, that's fine. And now if I want to be special, I'm going to go here, link a room, link the TV room, but then I'm going down, so negative 30. Can't go this way in real life, but it'll be fun. So go over here. Where's my dot? Here it is. It's way over here. Wrong spot. Negative 90. Alright, pitch. Put it up at 30. Alright, and now I have a dot to go back over there too. So now I have basically built an entire tour of my set of images that I took. And now there's a couple more things I can do. I can go through here. I have add exits. So now if I go into every single room, at the bottom, there will be a little exit icon, which is nice, but now I need to go and find this one here, edit it. Now, I can leave this way it is because there's an exit icon and that one, or I can just go and get rid of the exit icon so you can't exit from this room. That's probably best just to leave the exit icon in every single room. But now this tour is actually ready to be saved. Let me save it. And if I want to now, I can take my tour files, put them on my iPhone, and then it will play in Mobile VR Station 3.1. The only missing part would be going into the building a better thumbnail for it. So the preview image is not a palm tree.